Hey guys, today we're actually going to be making my first neon. Yeah, that's going to be fun. Also, I'm on my sister's account. Her name is not either, I just put her name as that, but I'm just going to change her name to something. Right, okay, now, this hit. Also, please don't friend them. Oh, my sister, because I won't accept. Okay. This is my first sip, by the way, so if it's kind of boring, a tiny bit, yeah. But this is my first neon, and I'm scared to make it. Why am I scared to make a neon? I don't know. Can't click X, what the? This is what I usually do. Go back to Roblox. Yes. Anyway. Actually, should I edit this one? Nah. I won't edit much. During. I said that I know much. Oh, I'm scared. Yes. I'd have to TP over to. I don't know what I have time on right now. Yeah, I bought my shop house as well. So, I know I'm very confused. Why did I go over here? I'm scared. Yes, this kind of took all night or whatever. No, no, I don't want newborn. Full grown. Oh, I know. Actually, I don't have to change them. Because I already have full grown. I thought I didn't have all the full growns, but this, yes, the idiot who turned his failed because it's on my sister's account. Idiots. 3, 2, 1. Yay! I should have two cats. Right, okay. Alex. Oh my god. Thank you, it worked. There you are. Oh, I'm not. Before I place this pack, don't forget to like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I did the last part. Well, no, I think I clicked on it then. Yay! There is my new neon cat. Very excited. Oh, should I go into servers and start trading there? Well, not actually trade it. Unless people actually want to good offers, because then. If I get a turtle off a neon cat, I swear. They do make kind of. Actually, I might keep it, maybe. I don't care if you need anyone, wait. Should I try to make a mega neon in a couple of days? Because I don't have enough. Oh, also, guess what my sister got for free? Well, neon here. Well, but let's go into any new servers. I'm so scared. I don't think I'll get any good trades. I'm also going to be playing on my sister's account with the wolf and stuff. And getting rid of everything in Anyway, so. I don't know who's server I'm going on right now. On my sister's account, I just put that. Myself, family home for that. Now I got a pizza place, and I got $300. Okay. Well, now I got a new cat. I feel so weirded out right now. I'm going. I have a new cat. I really feel like that. See if anyone wants that. Is he gonna offer, or does he want it for free? Yeah. I'm just gonna ruin these kids' relationships over here. Oi. Come on, a right griffin for a young cat. Here. No, I don't want a flipping ghost bunny. I want... Oh my god. I feel dumb in this game, to be honest. More loud. A turkey plus. Oh my god, why did no one like accepting my bloody trades today? Really, I had so much good money. I don't care. Bloody hell. Why did I pick you up, boy? Good. Should I add a new cat and waffle? Should I do that? Nah. Sorry, I can't. I'm not gonna trade it, I'm gonna keep it. How's restricted? It's in my flipping own server. Own server now. My god. Don't me becoming dumb. I think I'm also going to be playing some games. If my phone dies, you're gonna see me cry. For the first time ever. Because this... Oh my god, my phone just went down. Right. Well, just had for this one charge. It's on 2%. And I'm gonna give my sister's account money. So. Return to house. Okay, should I get rid of this house? And to be honest, I said 37.